Hi children, how are you all doing? I hope you all are doing fine. Yes, now we are going to learn a new topic, that is prepositions. Okay children, prepositions. You know what do you mean by prepositions? Prepositions means it is a positions where we are. Okay, so let's see some of the prepositions here in the form of examples. Let's see here. Let's meet a friend, that is unicorn. Say hi to unicorn. Hi. Yes. Now with the help of unicorn we are going to learn some prepositions. Okay. Let's see. See now unicorn is on the chair. Where is the unicorn? Is on the chair. So the unicorn is on this chair means that on is the preposition because on is saying the where the unicorn position is. So unicorn is on the chair. So on is a preposition. Now unicorn is, where is the unicorn? Unicorn is under the chair. So unicorn is under the chair. So with the help of prepositions we can know where the position is. Now we can know where the unicorn is. Unicorn is under the chair. So here the preposition is under. On, under. On, under. Okay children, here the prepositions are on, under. Okay, now see, now unicorn, let's see where the unicorn will go now. Unicorn is going and standing in front of the chair. So unicorn is in front of the chair. So where is the position of the unicorn? In front of. So here the preposition is in front of. Next, where the unicorn is going, let's see. Unicorn is going behind the chair. Unicorn is behind the chair. Means where is the position of the unicorn? The unicorn position is behind. So here the preposition is behind, because we are knowing where the unicorn position is. So that is called preposition. So unicorn is behind this chair. So here the preposition is behind. If the unicorn is in front of, we will say the preposition is in front of, because now the unicorn is in front of the chair. In front of, behind. In front of the chair, behind the chair. Okay. Now let's see other things. Can you see things here? See, you have a wooden bricks here with me. Can you see what is the front color? The front color is orange. The wooden brick has orange color in the front, and the wooden brick has green color at the back. So here I am saying the color of the wooden brick. So in front I have orange color, and in back, at back I have green color. So here I am saying the position of the brick in front and back. So here the prepositions are front, back. The wooden brick has orange color in the front, and wooden brick has green color at the back. Okay, here the preposition is front, back. Okay children, now let's see. Here you can see a pouch here. Yes, so I have one pencil in my hand. Now I'm keeping a pencil. I'm putting a pencil inside the pouch. Where is the pencil? Inside the pouch. So here the preposition is inside because it is telling the position of where the pencil is. Now I am taking a pencil and keeping outside. So the pencil is outside the pouch. So here the preposition is outside. So here the position of the pencil here is outside. So the preposition is outside. Inside, outside. Prepositions are inside and outside. Okay children. Now let's see here. We have a van, toy van. Yes. See. Now toy van is going over the table. Okay. Toy van is going over the table. Now the toy van is going under the table. Okay, toy van is going under the table. So here we are knowing where the position of the van is. See where the position of the van is going. Van is going over the table. That is preposition is over, because where the position is over the table. That is over is preposition. And van is going under the table. So here under is the preposition. Over, under. Over, under. Okay children, these two are prepositions. Now can you see children, at the top the ceiling is at the top. Okay, and the floor is at the bottom. So now we are getting to know the position of the ceiling. Where the position of the ceiling is at the top, and where the position of the floor is at the bottom. So here the prepositions are top, bottom. Top, bottom, because there we are knowing the position of where the ceiling and where the floor is. Okay, the prepositions are top, bottom. So we have learned the prepositions are top, bottom, over, under, and inside, outside. Pencil is inside and pencil is outside. Inside, outside prepositions. And we have learned front, back, and we have learned the unicorn is on the chair, under the chair, that is on, under, and we have learned in front of the chair, behind the chair. That is prepositions are in front of and behind. Okay, I hope you understood. Thank you children.